Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This tutorial covers what happens when you upload to the general category. The general category is selected in the sidebar. Notice the drop zone label says General. Drag headshots onto the drop zone. Before the upload starts, a confirmation modal appears. This modal reminds you that uploading to General means these headshots won't be tied to a specific team roster. Click Confirm to proceed, or cancel and select a specific subcategory first. Uploading to a specific subcategory is the recommended approach. It keeps headshots organized by team and makes roster matching more accurate. For the best results, create your categories and subcategories before uploading. It saves time and keeps your library clean. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.